Good morning students. Today we are going to study classification of plants. In last year we have studied classification of living organism, 5 kingdom classification system proposed by Robert Whittaker. See this classification, living organism is divided into prokaryotes and eukaryotes. These prokaryotes unicellular and eukaryotes unicellular as well as multicellular. In prokaryote unicellular Monera and eukaryote unicellular Protista, multicellular fungi, plantae and animalia. तो उसमें अपन ने मोनेरा, प्रोटिस्टा एंड फंगी ये देख लिया था. इस ईयर अपने को देखना है प्लांटी, किंगडम प्लांटी. दिस इज प्लांट क्लासिफिकेशन. किंगडम प्लांटी, क्रिप्टोग्राम एंड phanerogram. This cryptogram is divided into Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. And phanerogram, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. And this Angiosperm is further divided into dicotyledons and monocotyledons. So ये जो classification है ये दिया है व्हिटेकर ने. The group of autotrophic living organism having eukaryotic cell with cell wall, and they are autotrophic in nature because they perform photosynthesis with the help of chlorophyll and the main source of food for all the living organism. अब ये जो classification है ये है, उसका बेसिस क्या है वो अपने को देखना है. सो फर्स्ट प्रेजेंस और अब्सेंस ऑफ ऑर्गन. सेकंड इज प्रेजेंस और अब्सेंस ऑफ सेपरेट कंडक्टिंग टिश्यू फॉर कंडक्टिंग वाटर एंड फूड. नेक्स्ट क्लासिफिकेशन है डू द प्लांट बियर सीड्स और नॉट. नेक्स्ट है प्लांट्स आर ग्रुप डिपेंडिंग अपॉन नंबर ऑफ कॉटिलिडॉन्स इन द सीड्स. और ये जो हायर लेवल क्लासिफिकेशन है इट इज डिपेंड ऑन प्रेजेंस एंड absence of flower, fruits and seeds depending on whether enclosed seeds enclosed within fruit or not. These are the basis of higher classification. अब अपने को देखना है पहले क्रिप्टोग्राम. क्रिप्टोग्राम में थैलोफाइटा. Thallophyta grow mainly in water. They are autotrophic, unicellular or multicellular, soft and fiber-like body, found fresh or saline water. Example: Spirogyra, Urothrix, yeast and mold. Next is Bryophyta. Bryophyta is amphibian, autotrophic, multicellular, reproduced by spore formation. Then flat, ribbon-like, long, do not have specific tissues for conduction of food and water. Example: moss and riccia. Next is Pteridophyta. Well developed roots, stem and leaves, separate tissues for conduction of food and water. They do not bear flowers and fruits. They reproduce asexually by spore formation and sexually by zygote formation. Example कौन सा है? Fern, Nephrolepis and Pteris. And phanerogram. Characteristics: special characteristics for reproduction, produce seeds, contain embryo and store food, During germination, store food is used for initial growth of the embryo. इसमें है gymnosperm and angiosperm. Gymnosperm evergreen, perennial and woody. Stem without branches. Leaves form a crown. Seeds without coverings. They do not form fruits. Examples: Cycas, thuja and pinus. Then angiosperm. Flowers develop into fruits and seeds form within the fruits. Seeds are covered. Then monocotyledons. Seeds cannot be divided into two equal parts. Then dicotyledons. Seeds can be divided into two equal parts. These are the characteristics of angiosperm. Summary. So, in today's period, we discuss about cryptogram, phanerogram. In cryptogram, Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta, and phanerogram, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm, and in Angiosperm, dicotyledons and monocotyledons.